everybody. Good morning. It's your girl Drea. I'm over here at Charlotte's Web doing another unboxing video. So today we got our FabFitFun box. I know I'm a little late, but everybody else had already unboxed theirs, so I think mine would be. But I haven't done mine yet, so let's do mine. Let's do mine. Okay? Alright, how do we open this thing? I cut the tape, I thought. Oh, here we go. Ta-da! All right. So let's see. We got a deal on some meal fresh. HelloFresh, excuse me. It's a meal delivery service. And woo, 45 bucks off to get some wine. Get another wine subscription box. Like I need more wine in my life, right? I mean, kind of like need more wine. And then the brochure that comes every time with these boxes. And it's a nice brochure, but like I'm not into that stuff. So what did we get? What did we get? So this looks like one of those gardening hats. Oh my. Oh my. So can you see it? Can you just see me like this? If you can't, that's because you won't. I'm gonna gift this. You know what? Anybody who wants this? Go ahead and DM me. Alright? DM, private message, whatever the kids are saying nowadays. What else we get? Just be happy. Oh, a couple of puzzles and activities books. That's fun. What is this? This looks like it might be good. Ooh, I think I probably picked this. This is a Bluetooth speaker. I love these. These are all over my house. Come on. Come on. Open. Open sesame. Open sesame. Oh, how cute is that? It's kind of like a retro color. Like 50s. This is giving me them 50s vibes. See, and you can charge it. It's got a little thing. I feel like this is kind of doing the whole out by the pool kind of thing with the sun hat and the books to you know, the activity books. Like if you were sitting by the pool. See, when I sit by the pool, I definitely suck on wine, so that wine subscription, that would work. But I don't see where, like, yep, it's summer glow up. There she goes. There she goes. Some face wash. Can't hate face wash. This is Dr. Brandt, too. Dr. Brandt has the best products. Best. Baby girl loves. This. The coveted PMD. What? These are like $100. Okay, so this whole box being like $50-ish. This right here. And this speaker, I ain't gonna lie. I have these all over my house. Small ones like this are 50 bucks. So this right here is 150. I feel like they always inflate, you know, the price of everything else. But that's it. Oh, here's another thing. The box that keeps giving. Good Lord. It's a child-proof, which technically means have your child open it for you. Oh, it's a Michael Kors, like, bifold little wallet thing. I like this. This I will use. Because, like, I have quit carrying a purse at this point in time in my life. And all the crap that I keep shoving in my phone case can go in here and put this in my waistband. This is cool. So that's it, kids. That's all that we got out of our unboxing, our FabFitFun unboxing. What is this? 15 bucks off your first FabFitFun box. I'll link this code so the very first person who wants to copy and paste it, you get it. Maybe. You know me. I always say I'll link shit and I never do. But okay, so here's our haul. Here's our unboxing. Where'd the speaker go? I'm right next to me. Where's my camera? There we go. Alright, kids. This is just where my your FabFitFun box for July 2021. Boom, like fun in the sun. Alright, well this has been fun. I hope you guys are staying safe and having a great day. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. I was going to say I'll see you next box, but you don't know what I'll do. So I'll see you on the next one. Alright? Stay safe and take care.